Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to let the information naturally settle in. Today's video is about Tornado Alley. Why does the US have so many tornadoes? And what makes this region so unique? Let's dive in. Tornado Alley refers to a region in the central United States where tornadoes occur more frequently than anywhere else in the world. This area typically includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota. But why does this region experience so many tornadoes? It's all about geography and weather patterns. In Tornado Alley, warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico collides with cool, dry air from Canada and the Rocky Mountains. When these air masses meet, they create instability in the atmosphere, leading to the formation of powerful thunderstorms. Under the right conditions, these storms can produce tornadoes, rotating columns of air that touch both the cloud above and the ground below. Tornado season typically runs from late spring to early summer, although tornadoes can happen at any time of the year. During peak season, storm chasers, meteorologists, and weather enthusiasts often travel to Tornado Alley to study these fascinating and dangerous storms. The U.S. averages over 1,000 tornadoes each year, more than any other country, and many of these happen right in this region. Tornadoes can cause immense destruction, tearing apart homes, uprooting trees, and throwing cars through the air. That's why communities in Tornado Alley are well prepared, with storm shelters, tornado sirens, and regular drills to keep people safe. Despite the risks, many residents take pride in living in Tornado Alley, embracing the region's unique weather challenges and the strong sense of community that comes with it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a crucial part of mastering English and understanding American culture. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us keep growing and creating even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.